Hello everyone. We are going to introduce Mobilytik today. This is something that is in work in progress. We've been working on it for almost around 4 months now. This is basically a native mobile application which you can connect to any Haystack service. We are focusing on SkySpark for now. So basically what you get here is that you can basically type your connection IP address for the project with username and password, and you can hold on the button and hit login. This will authenticate through the Scrum authentication, and right now we don't have the dashboard built yet, so it's going to the dashboard app, but we are working on the dashboard app currently. You have notes, so you can see basically we have note here. You can click on it, you can see the test. We can go onto that note app right from here. So we basically have the notes right here, and we can actually apply to this note and update. So you can see this note, double clicking, and we can see go back to here, and we can basically add a reply. We are testing. And you can basically see if I refresh this page, you're going to see that we are testing on top of that given text right there. So you can see your notes. You can change the user, reassign it to someone else. You can actually close the ticket, or you can even create a new ticket. New ticket creation is done within the browse area. So Sparks, you can go basically to the month and you can see the Sparks in here. This is basically a mixed view between Spark table and it's basically looking at it in a monthly format, just like this. But because we are constrained to the location and we are on mobile app, you can click and see the time span when you click on that given Spark. You can filter Sparks by duration time, or you can basically filter Sparks to an individual Spark as well. So if we increase that, let's select. We can filter some of these rules here, and you will see that they are basically filtered and you only see those Sparks within the application. Browse app is really cool. Browse, basically, if you go to the site app, you basically have historical data historian. If it has a meter, it will show you the meters. You can see the notes, or you can add a note here. So you can add a note to a site. This is basically Sparks filtered just for this site, and then you see the notes for that given location. You can hit the geo address to go and map it to the Google Maps or Android or iOS Maps right from the application itself. You can hit equips and you can hit the RTU. What this is going to do is it's going to give us historical data for the given month we are looking at it. As you can see, each chart is shown as an individual object. This is to basically simplify looking at it on a mobile app if you wanted to just look at a single data source. But if you want to combine them, you can actually combine units, and you can see zone temp, return temp, set point, and discharge temp. You can actually say, I don't want to look at bool, I want to only look at command and sensors. So it will just filter it for you. On top of this, you can see your notes that is assigned to RTU1. If there's no actions on the equip and there's no Sparks at this location at this time, you can even look at it monthly view, and you can actually go back in time just on this equipment. Right now we are only looking at the Sparks within this equipment easily. Okay. Other than this, you can actually write to points from this. So I'm going to log out from this site, and we are going to log into a EAC, and we are going to go to connectors, and we are going to write to the occupied cool set point. So we'll go to send star and occupied cool set point, and go to here. We'll go emergency set. Let's set it to 74. So we'll hit 74, hit apply. It is applied successfully, and you will see that it is 74 here. I'll hit emergency auto, and this will nullify that, and it will turn to 70. So this is basically a mobile application for Haystack devices that is basically allows us to have all this data on a mobile app that basically renders at real-time speeds of the mobile, because this is literally rendering all the GUI within the native application. Thank you very much for watching, and talk to you soon.